Okay, so we're here at the Liquid Studio working on a mechanical vending machine that we're automating. I wanted to show you this. So this is a completely mechanical vending machine. You press a button and it releases a mechanism that drops cans of Coke to the bottom. So we've actually taken this system apart and we are replacing the mechanical system with, here you can see a servo motor and a new 3D printed flap to release the cans. You see it open, see? And this is now controlled through our rapid prototyping device that you can see here. I'm going to insert now the can of Coke, and we're going to show that the system actually operates by releasing the can. There you go. There you go. That's a date on day 2, and by tomorrow we'll have this connected to an app that works on a phone. So as you're walking to the machine, you'll be able to select a row on an app, and automatically it will release a can for you. There you go. All right, so second update today, we've installed now motors on the second level in our vending machine that you can see here. We're preparing the wiring to get inside the box, and we have wired up all the way to the app itself that allows you to get the drink of your choice. So we're going to execute this here. I'm going to grab a Coke, and when I press redeem, the Coke is going to fall. There we go. System's working.